So you get a community guideline on your channel. This is for lifetime, but in recent update, YouTube introduced a new feature. You can remove this community guideline from your channel. So this is so easy to remove. Just click on your community guideline strike, and here you can see more detail. So now this warning is on March 2022. Because it is old, because I don't have any way to remove this, but in recent update they allow us to remove this community guideline. So now simply click on take action. Now click on take action button. Now so let's try again. So here you can see you have you can being review. So here is what's to look for you. Here you can see all of detail is available, what we do wrong, so why we got this strike. So let's remove this now and click on next, and here you can see we have two options. One is appeal decision, and second one and present new feature, take up policy training. This is a new feature. You just need to take a training, 3 minute 7 question you need to answer. Take a training, and they will then you simply need to pass the training, and the strike will remove after 3 months. So here you can see, just read it, and now click on the scroll down and click on next button, and here you need to answer all of 7 questions correctly to pass this training. If you give the wrong answer, so that's not a problem. You have a second option to change your answer. For example, I select this, so here you can see it's not a right, so I can answer this. So that's easy. So this is so easy to pass this. Now click on next. So I just sped up the question answer video, because everybody not will get the same question, and you have an option. If you give a wrong answer, then you can recheck the question and then you can answer. That's so easy. So here you can see I just answer all of 7 questions. So here you can see I just passed the training. Nice work, you have completed the training. So what's next? You wait. Warning will expire on February 26, 2024. So that's mean in 90 days, in 3 months, this community guideline will expire, and this issue will remove from my channel. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Now remove community guideline from your channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.